Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So my name is Subhash Jha and in this video I'm going to tell you about LeadSARC. This is going to be a complete detailed review of the product LeadSARC and I'm going to cover these 5 questions. So if you are willing to join or know more about LeadSARC, please watch the video till the end. So first of all, what is LeadSARC? Okay, before I start this video, let me give a brief introduction about myself. So my name is Subhash Jha, and I'm into this online earning for last more than 2 3 years now. I do affiliate marketing from Amazon. I do Amazon Associate. I earn from Quora. I invest in cryptocurrency. I'm from there also. So I do all kind of things, related to online earning. So I have recently joined LeadSARC, and this is going to be an unbiased LeadSARC. Unbiased review of LeadSARC. So first question we are taking here is what is LeadSARC? So this is a course. Basically, LeadSARC is a course that teaches you the following things. Mainly, it focuses on lead generation. Okay. Now, what is lead generation? So, if you are into online business, or if anybody wants to grow uh, organically online without spending money on ads, so they need leads. So this course teaches you basically that how to generate leads, online quality leads, and along with that, there are many aspects related to digital marketing that also this course covers very well. So total there are 64 modules along with 6 ebooks that you get in this course. Now, so this is about the product. Along with that, you get here an earning opportunity by promoting this product, uh, and you can do affiliate marketing of this product and earn commission from that. Okay, so this is what LeadSARC is. What kind of work we have to do here? So simple. First of all, you have to learn digital marketing or affiliate marketing. So the course will teach you that, and again, it will teach you how to do attraction marketing, so that you don't have to go to people to sell this product or promote this product. You will learn these tricks so that people will come to you and will ask you that, hey, I want to do this course, or I want to buy this product. So how will that happen? That is what will be taught here through this course. Okay. Second thing is that, yeah, but that won't happen initially. Initially you have to do outbound marketing, you have to promote itself, but gradually, within 1 or 2 months, people will automatically come to you. Okay, so this is what LeadSARC is, and this kind of work you have to do here. Basically, affiliate marketing or social media promotion, promoting it through different social media. That is it. Is this network marketing? No, this is not network marketing. This is affiliate marketing. Now, many people have this confusion because you are purchasing this product and again and then referring it to someone else. So people think this is network marketing. So first of all, this is a different kind of product. See, I am doing affiliate marketing, so I can tell you from my experience. See, for affiliate marketing, like what I do here in Amazon, I don't have to, purchase a product to promote it. Uh, because see, these products, what the products which I sell here is people will anyway buy it. Okay, people are looking for it, and they come to my website, and from there they click on the link, and I get the commission from it. So it's simple. But people ask question like why I have to purchase these are first and then I can promote it. Why can't I do it for free? So first of all, if I am doing it, any kind of affiliate marketing you do, you need some kind of investment. You have to invest on hosting. You have to invest on web pages. I have my 2 3 websites. If I show you, Make in India deals, and I have one. other website also. So you have to give time also. You should have this expertise, uh, so that you can. So this is my website from where I promoted. So first of all, you have to invest a lot amount of time to learn these things, and then again you have to buy website hosting. So that's a very long process, and by the time you start earning, you will get demotivated in just 1 or 2 months, and you will quit it. So that's what happens with 80% of the people. So here what you are getting is, here you are getting a ready-made platform. Okay, the course will teach you things, you will learn it and you apply that knowledge and you start earning. That's it, simple. You don't have to have any other website or any, you don't have to maintain anything else. Everything will be maintained here. You have dashboards here where you will be able to maintain everything. So that is the reason people confuse it with network marketing, but it is not network marketing, because in network marketing they have that upline downline concept, and they whatever your downline are earning, that will be uh, divided to your uplines also. So here it's not that. Here it's simple affiliate marketing, simple sale. You promote it, it got sold. For each product you will get, for each sale you will get 3,000 rupees. And there is a passive income also. That means if you referred it to someone, if you referred it to your friend and your friend again referred it to someone else, so you will get a passive income, 425 rupees for every passive sale. Okay, so that is it. And the price, of course, the price of the course is 4,000 plus GST, that is 4720. But that is a very worth investment, I believe, because uh, if you want to do anything, obviously if you want to do anything, then that's a very good investment. You are not paying the money for, you're not paying the money for the course itself. You are getting a whole system here. You will get internal trainings, you will get access to uh, private group here. See, we have again internal team training. You will be trained through webinars weekly. So it's not simple course that you will be given. You will be given a full support. You will have mentors that will guide you to step by step to do good income here. So that is it. Now coming back to the questions, it's not network marketing. Okay, why is the comment section? So obviously you have seen some kind of video, or someone has approached you with this, or maybe you have seen it in some anybody's profile and you wanted to do it by you also want to start this. So you might have seen the video in YouTube of explaining the full concept of Lutsa. So the comment section is disabled there. So many people think it's because it's spam, that's why it's the comment section is blocked. So first of all, let me tell you, because it's an affiliate program, if the comment section won't be blocked, people like me who are promoting it will go and in the comment section they will promote with their link that please join with this link, so that they will get the commission, and that will bring a bad reputation to the course itself. So that is the reason why the comment section is disabled. Okay. Next question, are people really earning 50K monthly? So yes, people are earning not only 50K, more than that, because here you will get paid weekly. So many people are earning more than 50,000 uh, per month here. There are people who have, see, you can see here, not just one, two people. Many people are there who are earning more than 50,000. Many just newcomers have started earning 10,000 to 20,000 uh, just within 15 to 20 days of training. So this is a very, and more than 2 crore. This is a old banner. In fact, it's of 21/9. You can see, but now more than 3 crore of the commission has been paid to the people. So you can see here in, and it's not scam because so many people are doing this. See, the group strength is 4.8k. So many people have joined just within 4 to 5 months and have seen the result. That's why they have joined. So yes, again you have to give your 1 or 2 hours per day initially, so that to get a consistent income from it. If you think you will join it and you'll start getting money, then this is not for you. If you want to really change yourself, you want to learn something, you want to learn digital skills, which is the hottest skill of 2021 coming day. So this platform is for you, and here you can do active and both passive income. So many people are see, this guy has earned 3 lakhs rupees just in 5 months. Okay, there are the highest earner here has earned 10 lakhs rupees in last 5 months. So it's up to you the kind of effort you will give. You can make easily 50 to 60,000 per month. This gentleman has earned 78,000 in last 2 months. So people are earning, and this people are joining also this platform. So it's up to you. I'll tell. First of all, I'll suggest you, if you want to do this, uh, go go back to the person who has sold you the webinar or have presented you this opportunity. You should go and talk to him. Should ask your query. And if suppose if you have more query, you can obviously comment below, or you can, I'll give my number also below. You can reach out to me. It's not important to join me, but first of all, I'll suggest you to join the person under his mentorship who has shown you the presentation. But if you join with me, I can teach you other things also, like Amazon affiliate. I earn through Quora also. I invest in crypto. I earn from there also. So if you want to learn these things also, you can obviously subscribe to my channel. You can comment below. I can teach you that for free. So thank you for watching my video, and please like this video, because in my next video I am going to review. I'm going to expose fake reviews of LeadsArc. So I'll just show you that also. If you search on LeadsArc, you will get uh, this LeadsArc fraud video here. I have talked to this guy, and I have WhatsApp proof also, which I'm going to uh, present in my next video, exposing this guy that why he is spreading lies. Okay, so thank you for watching this video once again. Goodbye.